Apple is taking control of 5G. The iPhone 18 Pro might be the first to feature Apple's own C2 modem, cutting ties with Qualcomm and revolutionizing network performance. But what does this mean for speed, connectivity, and future iPhones? Stick around to find out. Apple has been working behind the scenes to develop its in-house network chip, reducing its reliance on Qualcomm. Here's what we know so far. The iPhone 16e debuted Apple's first CI modem, showing promising 5G speeds. However, the C1 lacks wave support, which means Apple still relies on Qualcomm modems for iPhone 17. The upcoming C2 modem aims to fix this issue, bringing faster, more efficient 5G to future iPhones. Leaked reports suggest that only the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature the C2 modem. Meanwhile, the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Plus may still use either the C1 modem or a Qualcomm chip. Rumors indicate Apple might eventually integrate its network chip inside the main processor, similar to Qualcomm's modems. If successful, this could lead to better power efficiency, faster 5G speeds, and a completely Apple-controlled modem ecosystem. Do you think Apple can outperform Qualcomm with its own 5G modem? Or should they stick with Qualcomm for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments.